Hey guys, Miss Charlie here with a little tutorial using the Devinah Phantasia palette. This came out during Black Friday. I've used it a few times. I used it in a live, and I've used some of the shadows in here, incorporating them with other looks, but I love Devinah. This is her first actual palette. The other collections that she had came out with before this were the Mystic Cove, Mystic Cove and the Sea of Shadows, but those were all singles that you could buy separately. This is a palette that you cannot buy these separately. You have to buy the palette. Now, whether she'll come out with these as singles later on, I don't know, but right now this is just her first actual palette, and it's beautiful with the unicorn. It comes in this beautiful palette. And you can arrange these any way you want, because when you get it, you'll get the empty palette and the singles, and you can arrange it how you want. So I arranged it in the order of the mattes and then the multi-chromes and duochromes. And they're very, very pretty. And it's like a muted mauve, a little green, peach color story. And I will have swatches. But I did a look using these. I used these two colors here, these two colors here, and this one as well. Beautiful, shifty, smooth. I also used her eye bases as well, and her brushes, which all came out during Black Friday, and I went ahead and got everything. So yep, yeah, it was a little expensive, but it's okay. I love Devinah. I know her quality is going to be awesome, which it is. I am not dissatisfied in the least, but I just wanted to do a tutorial. I've been wanting to do a tutorial using this palette for a while, but life gets in the way. But I'm glad I got to do it today. So I'll get into the swatches, and then I will show you the tutorial. But thank you all for being here. I appreciate you so much. If you want to see more tutorials using Devinah shadows, I have plenty, and also using her brushes, let me know. I'll be glad to oblige. Thanks again for being here, and we'll go into the tutorial.